So today I'm going to talk about symptoms of retinoblastoma. Now, of course, we did not get to the retinoblastoma symptom stage because Eve was already in the hospital for the twisted bowel and she was on life support, and that's when they diagnosed her. So we did not get to the symptom stage, but I still wanted to talk about it here because someone had asked. And I do get a lot of comments like, how is a newborn baby diagnosed? Well, with retinoblastoma, the most active time is between the first year of life for tumors. However, it's often not diagnosed till a little later on because you have to wait till symptoms show up. But we, of course, didn't get that far. But there's a lot of cancers with children that are diagnosed within the first year of life, unfortunately. So it's about between 200 and 300 cases per year within the United States of children that get diagnosed with retinoblastoma, and I believe it's 1 in 15,000, I want to say, worldwide, about how often retinoblastoma gets diagnosed. There's two main symptoms that you want to look for with it. It's going to be a lazy eye, if you notice, like a drifting eye, so drifting or lazy eye, and then the other one is going to be a glow. You might have heard the phrase know the glow. That's a glow in the eye, which is often the common concern when parents see this glow, that they know that something is a little different. What sometimes happens is parents will take a picture of their children, and if there's a flash on the camera, if you see a red eye, if you see red eyes whenever you take a picture, that's always a good sign because you know the eye's healthy. So red eye's normal, but it's when you see something like this, when you see in a flash, you'll see a red eye and then a white hazy eye. That's often a sign of retinoblastoma. And it can also be other things. So it doesn't automatically mean that the child has cancer. It could be other things, but that's often why they say know the glow. Like if you take a picture with a flash and you see like a white glow, oftentimes it can be cancer, or other times, I shouldn't say often, other times it can be something else that's going on. Now with our kids, of course, like I said, we didn't get to the symptom stage. They just were diagnosed so early because Eve was already in the hospital, and then once Eve was diagnosed, we knew we had to get Ella checked because with bilateral retinoblastoma, it's so aggressive that you need to know right away. So those are the two symptoms. There's many other symptoms too, but those are the main ones, the glow and the laziness of the eye. So like I said, it's only 200 to 300 children per year that are diagnosed. So I don't want to worry anybody, but that's what the symptoms are.